back, guys. You are doing great. We just have a few more sections to do before we're finished with this design. So give yourselves a pat on the back and let's keep going. So the next section that we're going to do is we are going to add a little divider right in here. So we'll just go to our block section and we'll drop that right on over here. And remember what we did before to make it dotted. We just have to go over here and change that to be dashed and change the color to that famous hex number. And there we go, we have it. Go ahead and hit save. And then we're going to add the block corner title. So we're going to use the box text and we'll drag that over. Make sure you drag it underneath the divider. And we're going to need to change the color. We'll need to remove the background. Go to your text section and type blog corner and highlight this and make it a heading 2. Now we can save it. All right, so moving right along. The next section was we're going to change the text that's in here, and it's going to be filler text for now, just for sake of time. Go ahead and save that. Now we're going to add the blog articles. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab an image in text and drag it over. Make sure that's underneath your paragraph. And remember what we did before when we switched the side of the image. We're going to want it on the left-hand side at 1/3 of the size. And then we're going to add the image. And there we have it. And then we're going to change the text. Now I have too much text here, so I need to delete some of it. Okay, and then we're going to add the little link to read the article. And we'll need to highlight it and add your link. And of course, I'm just going to add a little pound sign right now just to fill in the link. And I want to take off this extra line here. Sorry about that. There we go. Now you can do 2 lines, or you can also make it a little closer and put it at the end of the article like that. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll hit save. And remember how we did it before when we duplicated these boxes over here. We're going to do the same for this blog article. We're just going to duplicate it, and then we'll have another article. Of course, you're going to need to change the image, and you're going to change your text in here, and of course your link. Okay, let's go ahead and hit save. Now, remember that we changed the color of the link over here. We're going to need to do that as well for this lower section. So we'll go back to style, go to the lower body, because that's where we're working right now. And let's go down to the lower body link, which would be these links. And we're going to change that to be the blue that we had before. There we go. And you see how it changed it? So we have this changed and this updated. So now we'll go ahead and click save. And we are done with this section.